So our next presenter is Farhana N Ahmed. She is there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Okay, please share your slide.
Good afternoon. I'm very much pleased and honored to present my research and development work in this international platform. And the title of my work is Design and Development of a Pilot Plant for Steam Distillation for Essential Oil Production. And this was an approved R&D project of the Pilot Plant and Process Development Center of Bangladesh Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, and it was led by Senior Engineer Nahid Jahan and her associates. And the project objectives was to design and develop a pilot plant for steam distillation for essential oil production and the application of human-machine interface or HMI and programmable logic control for automatic control of the boiler, and to conduct feasibility study of the process to ascertain cost effectiveness. Essential oil are the plant can be extracted from the plant parts, leaves and barks, and here are some pictures of essential oils. And some available raw materials in Bangladesh are neem, lemongrass, eucalyptus, mint, basil, turmeric, agarwood, nutmeg, etc. And their uses are widely in fragrances, in cosmetics, perfumes, soaps, toiletries, natural insect repellent, and they are widely used in pharmaceutical industry, in flavors, in additives, and in herbal medicine, and also in aromatherapy. And they have a very high market value. So you can see that they are priced at 20,000 taka, or which is about 10,000 rupee per liter, per unit price. And in Bangladesh, there is some scarcity of production facilities for good quality essential oil. So there are very few industries like Agur at Molobi Bazar, and neem, eucalyptus and lemongrass in Dinajpur and some other places. And most of the essential oils are imported, and industries use water distillation method. And the production rate in water distillation is very low and yield is low, and the fuel consumption is also high. And also the parameters cannot be controlled, and product quality may also get degraded for prolonged heat exposure. And there is a picture of a water distillation plant in Molobi Bazar in Sylhet for Agor, and this is also the water distillation unit in lab. And there are some advantages of steam distillation over water distillation, and so we get higher yield and steam distillation, and pressure, temperature and water level can also be controlled, and the production rate is also faster. And since the heating is indirect, we get better quality essential oils, and it is also energy efficient for industry. And here you can see a flow diagram for steam distillation, where steam is generated from the boiler and passed to the steel tank directly, and it is the vapor from the essential oil plants is evaporated and condensed in the condenser, and later it is separated, and we get for main product we get oil, and as byproduct we get hydrosol. And the main feature of steam distillation it is that the amount of steam can be readily controlled, so the temperature of the steam is high enough that the oil can vaporize, but not so high that it damages the plant material or burn the essential oil. And no thermal decomposition of oil constituents, as extraction process can be conducted below the boiling point. And it is frequently used for temperature sensitive oils which are insoluble in water and may decompose at their boiling point. Here you can see our plant setup, which was designed in our pilot plant, And this is the steel tank, and this is the condenser, and this is the water oil separator, and this is the boiler where the steam is generated. Here in the picture, this one is the boiler, and this is our condenser. So, and this pilot plant setup was fabricated and erected in our organization, and it was tested for several plants like eucalyptus and eucalyptus leaves and lemongrass oil. And here you can see the control systems which we applied, which enabled us to control the feed water of the steel and control the high pressure and steam temperature. So the extraction process can be carried out efficiently. And these are the pilot plant runs which we conducted in our pilot plant. And you can see that we did several runs for eucalyptus leaf, and we got about yield of 1.32 percentages. And for lemongrass also, the yield was lower, 0.41%. And the outcome of the project was that we fabricated a pilot plant for a capacity of about 100 kg raw material, and automation was applied, and we observed that the extraction time, steam rate, raw material loading, and their interactions were the major process parameters found to significantly influence the oil yield. And the plant operating cost was lower as the operating time was shorter than water distillation, and the essential oil obtained was free from contamination by organic solvents since the extraction was carried out by steam. And for profitability analysis, you can see that for basis of 1 kg essential oil, we calculated the payback periods, break-even points, and the production cost was about 8,000 Bangladeshi taka, which is about 400 Indian rupees. And the yearly profit was 28 lakhs Bangladeshi taka, and selling price is about 20,000 taka. And also we could sell the byproduct which can be sold about 2,000 taka per kg, and which is called hydrosol. And from the outcome of the project, we see that the technical feasibility of the steam distillation unit developed could enhance the production capacity of essential oil from aromatic and medicinal plants to meet the growing demand throughout the food, flavor, fragrance, and health product business. And prospect of local production of pure essential oil from available raw materials is high, as it is found to be economically profitable. Thank you.